NatWest Mortgage Account Login. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to your NatWest Mortgage Account. NatWest offers convenient online access for managing your mortgage, making it easy to stay on top of your payments and account details. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of accessing your NatWest Mortgage Account online. For this, open your default web browser on your device. In the search bar, type NatWest Mortgage Login and press Enter to search. Tap on the official Manage Your Mortgage link provided in the search results. In the login page, enter your NatWest Mortgage Account online and next enter your date of birth, surname and the postcode of the property associated with your mortgage. After entering the required informations, you can click on Login or Sign In button to proceed. If you prefer to access your mortgage account on the go, you can also download the NatWest mobile banking app from your device App Store. Additionally, you can use the QR code feature for the quick access and easy uses of your mortgage account. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your NatWest mortgage account. Now you can start managing your mortgage online.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.